Santa's 5 friendly elves.
Look, friends, I see Santa's elves. 5 friendly elves in Santa's workshop, busy making toys, they never stop. Elf number 1 makes paint bright red. That's the color of Santa's sled. Elf number 2 builds blocks so tall, stacks them high so none will fall. Elf number 3 ties ribbons tight, wrapping gifts through day and night. Elf number 4 bakes cookies sweet, a special treat for Santa to eat. Elf number 5 shouts it's time to go. Here comes Santa, ho, ho, ho. Then off they flew through the star-filled night. Merry Christmas to all, and to all good night. Merry Christmas